Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Mountaintop. Trust that your life is destined for greatness and happiness. Always remember that the storm will surge in from time to time, and the mountaintop may seem insurmountable at times. But with the god or goddess you are, nothing can pull you down, and nothing can intervene as you're destined to triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing. I love this poem, and it's so true. There's nothing that can tear you down or take you away from what you actually want if you don't allow that to happen. Just follow your heart, follow God, the universe, whatever you want to call that. Follow those doors that open. Be persistent in anything that you love to do. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.